24-15. Ateneo on their way to closing out this match.
Oh, and Valdez with a running hit. Not enough for Bakiro. Too much to handle for Bakiro.
Again, congratulations, the Ateneo squad winning it in straight sets. Let's watch our shaky shake and play.
Look at Alisa Valdez go for that running hit.
There you go, and that point was the final nail on the coffin for this match. Again, almost identical scores, Mosey, and the Cobras not even going up to 20 again. Congratulations to Ateneo winning their third straight match, and of course, big factor in this game, of course, is with Miyaka Lim. Why this happened, Miyaka?
13 attack points, 2 blocks, 1 service, a total of 16, and this is actually the third time that we are awarding her this Best Player of the Game recognition. It's Alisa
Valdez.
Sorry. Alisa Valdez here with me with the Best Player of the Game. Alisa, parang every single game na lang naka-God mode ka. What has gotten into you? How do you prepare for a game like this?
Siguro, like sinabi ko last na interview na dahil din sa training, tsaka na may teamwork kasi, so ayun, siguro buong team kasi naglalaro. So maganda yung output.
Okay, and I'm sure madami ka ng collection ng mga Shakey's bag. Dadagdagan pa namin yun ng isa. This one is for you. At alam ko madaming pinapabati sa'yo at madami kang gustong batiin. Go ahead.
Sa lahat ng teammates ko na kanina, si Ella, si Den, si Beatan, si Mona, si Tasha, si Z, si Phil, si A, si Ate Jem, lahat sila. Sa teammates ko ng RP Youth, andun sila. Sa family ko, tsaka sa lahat ng nanonood ng volleyball. Hello.
Alright, thank you. Binilang talaga niya, guys. Back to you.
Alright, one of those...